Have you ever considered the profound impact conflicts can have on our natural world, especially when nature itself becomes a target? It is a complex and often overlooked aspect of warfare, yet its consequences can be devastating and long-lasting for everyone. Under international law, environmental warfare is primarily defined by acts that cause or are intended to cause widespread, long-lasting, or severe damage to the natural environment, particularly when used as a weapon or a tactic of war. The most significant legal instrument addressing this is the Environmental Modification Convention, commonly known as ENMOD. The core reason for these legal frameworks stems from the recognition that environmental destruction can profoundly impact human life, health, and sustainable development. The ENMOD Convention, adopted in 1976, prohibits military or other hostile use of environmental modification techniques having widespread, long-lasting, or severe effects. It serves as a crucial preventative measure. Additionally, the first additional protocol of 1977 to the Geneva Conventions includes provisions that forbid methods or means of warfare intended to cause widespread, long-term, and severe damage to the natural environment. Applying these definitions practically means evaluating the scale, duration, and intensity of environmental harm. For instance, deliberately destroying a major ecosystem, like a vast forest or critical water source, with the explicit intent to render an area uninhabitable or gain military advantage, could fall under this definition. However, incidental damage, while tragic, is generally distinguished from intentional environmental warfare, unless it is clearly excessive in relation to the concrete and direct military advantage anticipated. Beyond these established treaties, there is an ongoing international discussion about the concept of ecocide, which refers to mass damage and destruction of ecosystems. While not yet universally recognized as an international crime, this evolving legal discourse aims to fill potential gaps, particularly concerning environmental damage not directly linked to armed conflict or effects that might not meet the high thresholds of widespread, long-lasting, or severe harm specified in current laws. Ultimately, international law seeks to establish clear boundaries for what is permissible in armed conflict, extending its protective reach to the natural environment. These legal instruments and ongoing debates are vital for setting norms, encouraging accountability, and reminding us that the planet is not merely a battlefield, but a shared legacy requiring our protection even in times of war.
If this history moves you, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.